Hi and welcome to our channel, The Naked Cactus. Today is all about aloe vera. Now when we first bought the house and I looked around the garden, I was so excited to see we had one of these magical plants growing here. So I spent the last couple of months learning all about it and its many benefits. In today's video I'm going to show you how I use it. I've already picked some leaves, so let's go start the preparation. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins A, B, C and E, and minerals including zinc, copper and iron. There are so many uses for this wonderful plant. The first thing I like to use it as is a simple moisturizer, or just leave it on a little bit longer as a face mask. The water content of aloe vera is between 98 and 99% of its weight, and it's the best ally of dry and dehydrated skin. It smooths the skin texture and tightens pores, and it's one of the most effective and natural methods for acne. Just simply cut one of the leaves in half and rub onto the skin to moisturise and rinse with water, or leave on for a face mask and super soft silky skin. Number 2 is as an exfoliator, so we're going to do exactly the same thing as the moisturiser, straight from the plant, but this time we're going to cut the squares to release the gel and sprinkle a little coarse sugar onto it. Rub onto your body and it will exfoliate and moisturise at the same time. I tend to do this just before getting in the shower, and again, silky soft skin. So the next thing I'm hoping I'm not going to use it for this summer is as a sunburn or as a bite remedy. The cooling gel instantly soothes and calms the skin, taking away any irritation or itchiness. I'm sure you've all seen or bought aloe vera products whilst on holiday. This is just straight from the plant with no added nasties. I'm also using aloe vera on my hair. I don't know if it's the water here or if it's the sea air, the salt. My hair's been feeling really dry. With the gel well blended until it's nice and smooth, I pop it onto my hair and scalp before shampooing. It instantly feels so much softer and healthier. I'm going to leave this in my hair for a good 30 minutes to an hour just to give it a really good deep condition before I shampoo it out. Now the last way that I use aloe vera is actually on my feet. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you, but with all the dog walking that I do, and I want to start running again soon too, I can often get quite dry, cracked heels. So again, straight from the plant, just a leaf cut in two, rubbed over the affected areas, and they're soon moisturised and feeling silky and smooth again. Now those are just some of the ways that I've learnt to use aloe vera over the past couple of months. Maybe you've got some other ways that I've not mentioned in this video. If you'd like to share them with us, please pop them in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more about our new life in the south of France, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.